y'all? This is Jeremiah from MarineMax, and today we're talking about our 2018 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This boat is an absolute gem for the man who wants to fish but can't give up the luxuries for the family. It's powered by Mercury's twin 350 joystick Verados, which are some of the smoothest, most powerful four-strokes on the market today. As you're about to see, it's got a portside tuna door. Fantastic whether you're at the sandbar or you're trying to pull the biggest pelagic on the deck that you can. This boat has all sorts of tricks in it, such as rear folding seats that get out of your way whenever you need to fish, or a folding backrest that gives you a bait table or just a table for preparing drinks and whatever you need to do with the family. Of course, it's loaded to the moon with everything from live wells to the aforementioned joystick steering, and this boat really does not give up a thing when it comes to luxury. You can see the bolsters, seating for at least 12 people or however many you dare to load on this boat, because it is yacht certified. Of course, you got a full hardtop for the shade, rocket launchers for all the fishing poles you could possibly handle, and some of the best bolsters on the market. They'll fold down to give you triple seating at the helm, fold back up for the roughest of fishing days. Of course, you've got Mercury's award-winning hydraulic steering, digital controls, vessel view, and these boats we can option with electronics of your choice. Whether that's a pair of 12-inch screens from Garmin, a single 15-inch screen from Ray Marine, and many, many more options. Now, if you follow me to the front of the boat, we're gonna take one look at Boston Whaler's party piece. This is a huge lounger for whenever you need to relax in the sun, but what it does doubly well is more storage than just about any boat in its class. Gives you all the room for family, fishing, all the fun you could hope for. All right, folks, this is our 2018 330 Boston Whaler Outrage. If we can do anything for you, reach out to us.